It's all about interest rates and America these days. The odds of a rate cut in September have surged to almost 100% for the US, which is great for Joe Biden, if he's still in the race. And markets are betting there will also be another 2 rate cuts after that. Now, what's behind all that excitement is that US inflation has actually dropped for the first time in 4 years. Last month, consumer prices went down by 0.1%, and in the year to June, they rose by just 3%, which is its lowest level in a year. But unfortunately, inflation seems to be on the way back up again in Australia. So that's why markets are pricing in a 35% chance of a rate hike by Christmas. And any relief for Aussies paying off huge debts might not happen until late next year. Despite that, the All Ords jumped 0.9% today to close at 8,206 points, which is a new closing record. And it's risen by a solid 1.6% for the week. Meanwhile, Commonwealth Bank also hit a record high, but tech stocks did poorly, and so did BHP. That's after the mining giant announced it'll close down its nickel mines in WA for at least 3 years because it's making a huge loss there. And that's because the price of this battery metal has absolutely tanked, thanks to an oversupply of nickel flooding the market, especially from Indonesia, who can do it a lot cheaper than BHP. And finally, it was a decent day for gold, oil and iron ore, while share markets in the US and Japan tumbled, and the Aussie dollar is buying 67.7 US cents. And that's finance.